Yeah, sitting here, minding my own business, feeding chipmunks, and one of them jumps right up on my back. Come on, Chip Chip. Speaking of the devil, Boomer, what are you doing, old buddy? I don't see any around. Then again, I didn't see. Oh, yes, I do. And I think it's little boy. Little boy is very aggressive if he sees anybody on his deck. But at least out here, all the chipmunks get a chance to. Come here. We don't want a chippy fight. Come on. All right, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here. Hi, little boy. Thank you for letting Boomer get his peanuts. Yeah, buddy. Not much to choose from. Sorry. Pretty scurvy peanuts lately. I see Bella's back on the mower waiting for me. You gotta stop that fighting, man. You are getting covered in scratches. You're missing hair, scars on the nose and the head. Come on, Chip Chip. I'm gonna let the video run. This will be a long video. Come on, Chip Chip. This Boomer's coming back. Come on, Boomer. Come on, buddy. Ah, Boomer. I don't have pants on, man. Come here. Come on. That's my finger. Come on, Boomer, you rookie. Bites the end of my finger. He thinks it's a peanut. Come on. That's a good one, Boomer. And that's another good one. Just two? Well, come on back there, buddy. Come on, Boomer. All right. Come on. You back again? Come on, Chip Chip. It's been going about 45 seconds to a minute, and then I get multiple chipmunks. Come here. Come on. Come on. Get up here. Come on, honey. Oh, little boy. Come on. Come on, little boy. I get multiple chipmunks. So there's 2, 3 in a row, and then another minute, and nothing's going on. Been like that all morning. Yeah, buddy. He is covered in scratches and scars. He's been fighting so much. And all the other chipmunks are having, you can see the scars. The first place they get hit is on the head. The chipmunk will go for their face every time when they fight. And just about every one of them has got a scratch or a scar. Boomer! Come here, dude! Come on! I see you. Come on, Boomer! Come on, buddy! Come on, Chip Chip! Come here! Come on, Boomer! Hey, man. Come here. Now, the little girl's waiting. Come on, Boomer! Come on, get up here. Right there, buddy. I think Boomer needs glasses. Need glasses, Boomer? Yeah, I'll get you a Bella. Hang on. I gotta take care of little Bella, you know. Yeah, you see him too? Come on. I don't have any more, honey. Here. Got this little one. That's a good one. Here. Come on, buddy. Is that this little girl? Come on. Quit screwing around. Come here. Come on. Get over here before all the other chipmunks come. Come here. Yeah. Come on. Come here. You're closer than he is. She is. Come on. Come here, dude. That's a scurvy. That's a real scurvy female. Come on. Come on, little girl. Come on. Come on. Poor Bella. I keep saying I'm going to get over to Bella, but every time I do, another chipmunk shows up. Come on. This is always tough. Hi, Boom. That's Boomer. Hang on, Boomer. Hang on, Boomer. Hey, Boomer. Come here. Come on, Boomer. There you go. Had to get some out of my pocket. Okay, I gotta take care of Bella. You guys are gonna have to wait a minute.